Hello friends, welcome in my channel Color and Color. Today I have Princess Cinderella. I will do her makeover and color her dress. I start her makeover with peach color foundation on her face, neck and arms. Her eyebrows are brown and she has red lipstick. Her earrings are also red. She has yellow hair. She has a blue hairband and a blue neckband. Fluffy sleeves of light blue color. Her long gloves are also light blue. Of her frock are also light blue. She has a long frock of dark blue color. The frill under her frock is pink. She has beautiful red shoes. Wow! These are shiny stars. I sprinkle them on her frock to give it more shiny look. Is shining and she is looking gorgeous. Do you like her dress and makeover? Give a like and subscribe.